Hello, I will promote your WhatsApp message like image, banner, test, location to 100 plus countries groups. Okay, it includes 50 countries in America, 50 states in America, and 50 countries in Europe, followed by Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, Philippines, China, Laos, India. Okay, including few Middle East countries. Okay, WhatsApp viral marketing expert. See, social media influencer. We have influencers for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, but right now I've checked on the internet. There is no WhatsApp influencer. Okay, so whom I suggest is the luxury brands, internet services, and any similar niche can promote their products and get maximum exposure. Okay, see, I will show you how it works. Okay, the thing is, we have see, I have built my own list. Okay, it took me 3 months to build this quality list. It consists of businessman, industrialist, media and entertainment guys, okay, to sell my own product and services like web hosting, building a site, and graphic design and web design services. Okay, I built for that purpose. Now it is available for public domain. One more thing, it totally depends upon the product, service, or business you're promoting. Okay, sometimes if someone shares it, they like the content, it may go viral. Okay, we have no control over it. Okay, but initially the package starts with $50, so this is a small risk anybody can afford. Okay, so I'm very clear about these terms. Let me explain. WhatsApp posts to 100 plus international groups to get viral exposure or coverage fast. Okay, I built this WhatsApp list for my own business purposes. It took me 3 months to build high quality list. And most of the guys are a mixture of industrialist, businessman, entertainment, B2B, B2C, CEO, entertainment, and media guys all over the globe. I have no control over the results. I suggest to provide me image or banners. See, image or banners, if I send a message to your recipient, by default it will go to their gallery folder. Okay, today or tomorrow or after 1 week or after 1 month, they may share it, they may contact you if they like your service. Okay, they may save it. By default, it is saved in gallery folder. So it has what to say viral exposure compared to any other platform like test, location. Okay, we ask you to create an image using your company message logo with your contact details like phone number, website URL. Okay, it should have a call to action, CTA. Okay, so this is my list. Okay, American list consists of 100 plus members: Vietnam, Indonesia, Israel, WhatsApp. Okay, so it looks natural. Okay, it looks natural to WhatsApp. We are not doing any bulk messaging. We are only promoting your message to our groups. Okay, we can't show you the number for say safety and security purposes. Why? Because I don't want my number to get blocked due to aggressive spamming. Okay, so sometimes we don't promote any non-English or hateful or prohibited content. Okay, I may cancel the order or refund you in that case. See, everything is self-explanatory. Yeah, we promote to for $50, we can promote to 100 groups. And see, this is $100 offer. See, listen here, coach. I will coach my secret method on Skype for 30 minutes. Okay, I will coach you on how to get WhatsApp numbers of any countries on Skype. You can do this 15 minutes a day, and you can dramatically build your list within a month. Okay, we'll coach you that method how to do it. Hardly it takes 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, we can coach you on Skype or TeamViewer. And premium $200, we'll coach you how to get unlimited friends in Skype or WhatsApp. Okay, we'll coach you how to do that. Okay, I will coach you my secret method to get active friends. Okay, active and unlimited friends on WhatsApp and Skype. Yeah, and read this gig very carefully. See, we have successfully run campaigns for luxury, fashion, international brands, all internet marketing and web hosting services with incredible results. You can provide me any format below: text, image, audio or video. See, audio or video should be less than 5 MB, and location and vcard. See, most important, I suggest you to go for image or banners because that has the probability to go viral, because most of them, they don't have 3G or 4G connection. Okay, most of the WhatsApp users, they don't have. So audio or video, they may or they may not share it. Okay, but image has a higher probability. We can say it as a small risk or gamble. If lucky, your content may go viral. It totally depends upon the curiosity, interest about the subscribers, how valuable the product, service, or business sparks interest for the audience. The result varies, and I have no control. Industrialist, businessman, media, and entertainment guys, B2B, B2C, are there in this group. Benefits. Okay, see the benefits. Okay, So you'll get immediate traffic to your website, may create social buzz for your product or service, get traffic to your products or services or CPA offers. Okay, there are many uses. One more, to be frank, okay, we have no control about the results. Okay, it is random. For some cases like luxury brands, sports, okay, we are getting viral results. Okay, because people share it from different countries, they like their content. Most of them are group admins, they may share within their group and their friends share it and their subscribers share it. Likewise, it will go on. Okay, we have no control over that trend. And most important, no adult content, gambling, non-English or hateful content. Okay, prohibited content of any nature. We may not accept the content which we feel are more harmful to the global community. And frequently ask questions, which international groups are these? See, 50 countries in Europe, American states, Canada, Australia, all Southeast Asian countries, India, Brazil, and some parts of UAE. For example, Germany group has 100 members of Germany only. France group has 100 plus members and so on. Why did you build this geo-targeted WhatsApp group? See, I built this geo-targeted WhatsApp groups of particularly English-speaking countries to sell my own internet services online. It took me 3 months to build this list manually, and it is highly responsive. Okay, for me, for web hosting, for graphic design, website design. Okay, for similar, and even I am writing a lot of ebooks for the same. Okay, I am getting good responses for such products. Now I believe it can be useful for public domain too. Okay, anyway, I built a list. Now I believe some companies or industries or some any global brand, it is helpful to them. Okay, it's just my view and opinion. It's up to you. No compulsion that you should buy this product. Think about it, see if there is any potential. If you are advertising any big amount of money on Google AdWords, Facebook ads, you can try this once. Okay, see the response. Okay, any refund? See, once the campaign is run, there is no refund. So think about it, it's pure luck and gamble. I am admitting it. The members in my WhatsApp group have different taste, and there are some content where the probability of going viral is more. It should be highly useful to global community inside curiosity and interest. These external factors are not under our control. Which content have the probability to go viral? Okay, WhatsApp is a huge market, okay, with millions of active users. See, right now on September 2016, there are 1 billion active WhatsApp users. Okay, the figure is much more, but we have more than 1 billion active users. At least they use it on monthly basis or weekly. Okay, I have promoted certain luxury, fashion, international brands, internet marketing, and certain internet services. And it's client confidentiality. Okay, we can't tell the client's name. Okay, which can be brought online without hassles, because right now there are Facebook influencers, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, you can promote your services for a fee. They can post it on their timeline, they can post it on their particular fan page for a particular fee, so to get maximum exposure. Some popular memes, marketing messages, images, and banners have high probability. Okay, if it's a popular meme, it should make some sense. Okay, marketing messages, images, and banners have high probability. See, I can create that kind of image or banner for you. In that case, please request me. If you buy this $50 reading at least, and restricted or prohibited content. We do not promote certain restricted or prohibited content like adult, pharmacy, or certain gambling, hateful and non-English content which cannot be understood by global community. The thing is, most of them are English speakers and they can't understand language other than English. We may cancel certain orders which we feel is prohibited. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm including the link to this particular gig in the description box. You can also contact me. I'll mention my contact details below. Thanks for watching.